If you want to customize quick settings on Samsung Galaxy S25, then first of all we need to open quick settings. And now once we are here, we can press this pen icon in the top right corner. And now we can touch and hold to change the order. So for example, if you wish to have, for example, the media slider and the screen brightness slider at the top, then of course feel free to do so. You can do that. Besides that, we can also press edit over here on this section in order to customize the shortcuts or buttons that we have in quick settings. So at the bottom you can find all available buttons, and you can tap on the button in order to add the option to the list. You can tap on the option from the list in order to remove them, and of course we can press and hold in order to drag it and drop it anywhere. And that's pretty much it. Now we can press done in the top right corner twice to save our changes. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!